Greetings, viewers. Eric the Car Guy here with the Parts Car. There's this lever here that you activate in order to open up the hatch in the back here. And there's a little motor assembly that moves stuff around to open that hatch. Well, mine wasn't working, and that's kind of a common issue with these vehicles. But hey, there was screws on the actuator, so I decided to open it up and see if I could find the problem. First I saw those cracks there and I was like, ooh, that's something, but then I realized it's pretty solidly mounted. Then I went in here and realized this is some kind of clutch assembly. So that's some kind of clutch assembly in there that engages that gear. But the problem actually lies underneath that. So this piece of plastic, focus, this piece of plastic down in here you can clearly see is broken. So that's the issue. So I'm gonna see if I can find a way to rig this. But it's a clutch mechanism so that this doesn't over travel when it moves this actuator arm. There's my solution, a zip tie to actually sit within this area so that it can rotate back and forth and have some kind of stoppage. So I don't know if this will work or not, but I've tested it. It opens and closes while it moves from side to side, and it didn't do that before. Here it is, viewers. Moment of truth after the zip tie repair. Closed. Oh! Yep, it opened. Made a little noise there, but it opened. Okay, closed. Open. So, not 100%, but it does work better than it did before, which was not at all. So, somewhat janky, but $0 repair with the zip tie. You're welcome. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty.